What are you listening to?
Smile, you're on camera.
Hi.
Hey.
What are you listening to?
I'm listening to the news.
Oh my
I
God.
know.
Lord Jesus. Were you from the States?
Yeah.
Oh, do you know what Trump did yesterday?
No, it's about Puerto Rico.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, protests.
Yeah, major protests everywhere. Yeah, New York and in Puerto Rico.
Yeah, you from Puerto Rico?
No, I'm from the States.
What? Well, Puerto Rico is not States.
Well, I'm from the mainland.
Cutter.
God.
You see, she wants to represent Puerto Rico, but she goes not.
In New York.
You're from New York.
No. Wait, what y'all like it?
22.
Mr. Dua? Ja, nästa pass folien. Ja, allt så. Rents. So we're in our way. We left Peja, right? And we go south towards Theth Unique, then we make a right towards Valbone, the border in Albania, right? Chapa Morin's neck. Yeah. Hey, where you going, man?
Yeah, how are you? I can't.
I saw you using a GoPro. I have a GoPro too.
Thanks.
How are you?
Good.
Where are you from?
I think we were from the same country, like.
Shqiptari? Albanian guy. Për ku përshkon Gjakov?
Jam nis për Prizren, po bëra pak vonë.
As 2 kilometra.
E pse në kam?
Me bicikletë?
Po ne pse me biciklet?
Po për qef. Kam pak shu që bëjnë tuit sporta, thash ta provoj me herë.
Për nga i ti?
Në Tirana.
Për Tiranës i nis?
Po.
Sa orë këtu?
Jo, e kam bo me ndalesë, këtu është dita 3. Ju për camping për kështu, shumë bukur.
Në Valbone po shkojmë. Ku Valbone?
Valbon. Shtej, barem sulti.
A del ky?
E fase GoPro në kaluar, edhe në kam atë.
Edhe uri regjistrim sa për kështu.
Po. Shikë. A na çet kesh kom në Valbone?
Po.
A rroga mirë.
Është më mirë se
Hey, we'll stop by in Bayramtur to buy some watermelon and some water. And Tony wants to buy some pair of shoes over here. Tony, you found your shoes? No. Flats? Because he's a tall guy.
No number.
No number? They don't have your number? Oh. Cardi B, is that Cardi B? Deutschland.
Hajde këtu.
Faleminderit.
Ska lëpsi. Tash 10 i bie 1.5. Po 20 çdo. Po 12. Po 20 çdo. Ku ka hemi si kështu? Jo, këtu ka 100 kamion. Mylla? Jo. Bostoni sa?
Dashim 3000 në provë me garanci me tanë.
Ku prova? Prova ku?
Frika.
Jo, kështu. A ka nitrate?
Ha?
Nitrate a ka?
Jo.
A do provë me poshtë. Ja, ma sa ser, ja. Jesa të një mesetën e di.
Ku dalë me çun Valbone?
Po. Më marrë me veti.
Jo, më sa.
Jo, qili, pse më s'ball?
Jo, më sa të ide të ide ai ide kemi.
Shumë më vaj, unë shumë gadranë, që kam provën e tij atë. Shpërë. Do të thonë
Se s'më pre?
Ana, ofiçel, haj.
Wait, se s'më pre tën?
Po si del ajo
Rrugës e hajmë na. A ki zik ti?
Po, këtë.
Jo, qila pak, qila. Besoj, qila.
Dali, se kam problem fare. Ka del Valbone, ai kollo. Ti s'më na di ajo.
Ashtu rruga, ashtu del Valbone, ha? A del fugoni?
Del gjatë 23.
Kush?
Ferrari del.
Ja, i po, 1.6 në motor del.
Po më mos ja shinonë.
Na ke heksim në dorë. Sa le çki?
Atë se vëdo më se akojnë në Valbona, ka vinë të lëvajdorit tash më të ndodh.
Ose kola se ne bursa ta, se
Që rrugën bërbjet kemi me një gjithë ka.
po vjen.
Që kam?
A shumë nalt ashtu ashtu.
Jo, kje.
Edhe një të vitë. Faleminderit, më falë që s'u kuptu.
Do me hapë të nga
Po, foto, hape.
A, këtë ka, të da.
E, ves.
Jo, s'ka Bajtë një.
Pristine Pay.
Në kohës të keni.
E shoh të e prej, se kjo e prej mirë.
Edhe në Kazakove.
Bravo pe prej mirë, nale.
Unë shkallëzova.
Kështu.
Po nuk po më shkoj, po në nitratë.
Nitratë ja kanë bombë se ka. Po duhesh me rëvënja këtë. Jo, po në një mund botë, lari. Në se api e shumë bëjë.
Don't need to tell, but
Të të me amë ju këtapë, në vlaj.
the watermelon in Albania is really delicious. Hey, a mi këtu kështu që është bebo? Tony, you hate it. Tony, sorry Tony.
Një shënë një minë.
E pse kështu? A mërë me s'bi dola?
Ma koni vjerë që djenë Valbone.
Ah. A në shka? Është me na pas prej tani me në gjitë. I told him, it's like, slice it up and then put tape around it so we can eat it ready. Funny guys, funny, nice guys. Tony, how you doing, buddy? Good? You see? Tony, it's good that we stopped, right? Because we were gonna go straight up.
No, but
And then we need to go back that way.
we would ask.
Yeah, we would ask. Yeah, we would go all the way up. Alright, we just made it to the last part of Valbone, which is pretty much the end of this. I forgot the name of this hotel, guest house hotel over here. These guys have the vans that will bring you close to the peak of Valbone. However, we're gonna do it in our own, with our own van. Okay. There you go. Theth, 12 kilometers. So what is it, about 7 miles? 6 miles it done?
About 6.5 miles.
Valbone, there you go, Valbone up there. We are Valbone, information, and Theth. So all this hiking, pretty much from there and all the way here. life is not fair. Some walk, some drive, you know. Enjoy. How's it going? Yo, life is unfair. Some walk, some drive, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good?
Yeah, pretty tired. We came all the way from Theth.
7 hours, huh?
We're driving to Theth.
Oh, you're driving there?
Up to Theth.
Good luck.
So we picked up a stranger. We picked up an American stranger. North American, last year was a Canadian, so that's still North American. Now we have a North American, well, pretty much North American too.
Where's Canada?
Oregon is it's practically Canada.
It's Canada. We like Canada.
Shocking to still speak English over there. Should be speaking some French. How's your French?
Well, it's the other side of Canada.
hablamos
I know.
It's the other- yeah.
Trying to be funny. Ha ha ha. Anyway, she was going this way and then we made her go back this way. Because she's like, I am bored. Nobody talks to me. Everybody hates the Americans. La la la. Right? That's what you said.
It's true.
Nope. That's why I've come in. And I tell everybody. Hello. Slow down. Sorry, slow down. Be nice. Say hello.
Hello.
English? No?
Yes.
Where you from?
Belgium.
Oh! Do you like or do you don't like Americans?
We don't like them so much. Because I'm American, okay. Because
You said you don't like Americans. That's what you said, and I agree. Oh.
he was
but you're traveling with an
doing
American.
that. He was like
No, I was not doing anything. I'm Albanian American.
So that's why I
Excuse
said
me.
no.
I'm Albanian American.
Oh.
I'm the best of both.
Oh yeah.
God bless America.
So coming from Theth, right?
Yes.
How's it been? How's been the hike? Good. Any bears? Any wolves?
No.
Okay.
No, he's
Okay, I just want to make the coffee now. It's okay. This is too hot, yeah.
This horse
Did you boil it?
unstoppable.
I'm gonna clean this spoon.
Oh,
No, wait. It's hot. It's hot. Go over there. Talk to him.
Hush. Hush.
There we go.
Cheers. Hey, you guys. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, we're on video. Smile. We're
This is to the right is Theth trail ahead, and this way is the waterfall. Tjeta, mir det här. Смотрите. Мир, you. Haydi. Kupayık. Haydi.
get a smaller one.
Hadi dümeni, haydi. Okay, freak. Freakatsak. Oh no. Oh, see, transporting to the van.
He's bigger than a horse.
Oh, that's what happened. I know what happened. He brought the luggages to the van, and the van came back to pick the lady, the couple, the mother and the brothers up. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Albanian Germans, German and Albanians. The guy was saying it's not worth it.
I know. It's like,
Should we go back?
Yeah, maybe it's gonna be a waterfall like smaller than me.
Actually, that was funny. Yay! It's not the biggest, but it is a waterfall. Maybe in the winter time there's more water. Tony?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. Ready? Come on. Climb the top. Very good. Picture.
And no again.
Oh, look at the patch, boss. Look at it.
Look at the patch.
She likes it. Can you peel off the tape, please? No. Come on, do something. Don't let Tony do it. Tony, she's gonna do it herself.
He's got it.
Wait, what happened there, Tony?
He tried. He tried.
What happened there?
Oh my god.
I was not gonna open, you know.
Is it cold? First slice gets who?
Ladies first.
Oh shit, here we go. Ladies first. Oh boy, that looks delicious. Looks delicious. Let me see.
Yeah.
Let me see you eating that. Oh girl.
Really good.
Let me see. Come
Well,
on.
it's
Get,
not,
in Albania we do this. No.
What?
Get the middle part. The middle part. No, I'm serious. The middle part.
Ali, take it. Ali, ta-da.
Okay, go away now. I'll wait for Tony because I like to eat the heart. The heart is mine.
Okay. There's some heart. Okay.
There you go. Thank you.
Is it good or not?
The heart is the sweetest. It's sweeter than vagina.
You're gonna put that on Instagram.
Maybe on YouTube.
Imagine she becomes a famous journalist, you know, one day.
It's gonna haunt
Gonna
her.
haunt me.
we just send the video to the news, you know. Look.
I know, right? And I'd be like, what about those racist jokes we made?